Welcome to 2021. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you're all staying safe and warm wherever you may be. We're excited to kick this year off with a bang. But before we do that, let's spend a few minutes and talk about the year that's gone by. Last year, COVID highlighted the fragility and interconnectedness of our global ecosystems, illustrating just how actions in one place can have ripple effects all around the world. In the same light, it showed us, if we all work together, just how rapidly we can come together to stay safe and build groundbreaking solutions. In just under a year, vaccines were rolled out. 2020 also gave us an opportunity to highlight the importance of keeping this global spirit as we progress in developing tools, technology, and processes that will drive long-term change. Our belief that business and entrepreneurship coupled with good responsible behavior being the only things that can change the world has never been stronger. We're also reminded that distant countries have had to come together under a common understanding that there is so much more to government policy than GDP. Major countries are starting to find out that they have to put geopolitics, policies, financial planning aside when it comes to human health and technologies, as well as our planet. We've all seen firsthand just how disparate the world is, with the challenges of one city, country, or social economic group being very different from another, further emphasizing the importance of developing in more equitable, sustainable, and scalable businesses. We were personally further encouraged when we saw 13 of our portfolio companies step up to start building solutions for a post-COVID world and to help out. We were also excited to have one of our companies exit to a much larger player in Canada, thus scaling their ability to drive long-term impact. In 2020, we also doubled down on our promise to continue to back the very best game-changing founders from all around the world. We had a record-breaking year in terms of the number of investments we made, the partnerships we secured, and the hours and hours of Zoom calls. We made a commitment at the start of the year to ensure no job loss at Brinc, and we were able to deliver on that promise across all of our offices, which we're super excited about. Our global Accelerator teams worked harder than ever to push our programs online, host online demo days, and our global management and business development team realized that business can get done online and that there's a whole new type of balance that comes from less travel, as well as stability. It was definitely a year for the history books, and one that I don't think we will ever forget. We were able to accelerate 84 companies through our 11 global accelerator programs and grew our portfolio to 149. We had 26 teams raise follow-on investments, and the overall follow-on also grew from 800,000 in the past to 1.1 million on average. And our portfolio also became a lot more global. As we were able to deliver programs online, we were also able to support founders from over 35 different countries. In December, to wrap up the year, we announced our commitment to invest in 1,000 climate-conscious businesses over the next 5 years. And we published our key criteria that all of our future investments must fulfill in order to continue to receive funding and support from Brinc's growing ecosystem. This new commitment comes in recognition that we all must do our part to slow down the effects of climate change by supporting more plant-based businesses, climate-conscious brands, and enabling companies that are being much more energy efficient. In a nutshell, as we move forward, we're excited to continue to back great companies and founders from all around the world that are creating high quality outputs at similar prices with less inputs, less water, less land, less usage, less energy, less harm. We're also excited to continue to work with some world-changing, game-changing founders to set up syndicates across industries where we run programs to grow our networks and to leverage their strengths to go deeper into each vertical and drive investments that activate POCs and scalable commercialization opportunities. With that, I'm not going to waste any more time. It's time to focus on the teams and meet the teams from our last cohort. They've all been really hard at work over the holidays as well as last year and to get ready for this today. So let's focus all of our energy and give them our full attention and support. Thank you very much for tuning in.